about a class and object in Java. So these are the this is the structure how a class looks like in a Java programming language. So I have chosen Java because Java is one of the trending languages here in the current scenario. That's why I have chosen Java for explaining class and object. So in this video we are not going to explore the class features and object features in detail. So I have covered those things in a separate course called Java course. If you want to learn if you want to learn concepts in Java using programs, then you could learn those things from that Java course. In this video I am going to explain about the structure of a class and the structure of an object and the properties of a class and how we can create an object in some programming language. In this I have chosen Java as the example. So this is a class in Java. A class looks like this in a Java programming language. Here there is a class name which is called phone, and these are the data members, or we can say it as a properties. So these are the properties. Using these properties you can create n number of objects. Using this class you can create n number of objects. And this is a constructor. You might have a question, what is a constructor? So I have covered about this constructors, functions, data members, and A to Z about the Java in some other course called Java course. If you want to watch those, you can enroll into this course. So here, using that constructor, we are trying to create an object. So that's a very brief definition about the constructor. And then using functions, we are trying to get the properties of the class. And then using this is the way by which we can create an object in Java. So using similar way, we can create objects in other programming languages like C++ and other object oriented programming languages. Here using class name, we are trying to create an object called iPhone and then Vivo, and we are trying to send the properties in the params. So then this is called iPhone object and this is called Vivo object. We can do any number of operations on these objects. So this is about the very basic about class and object, how it looks in Java. So if you want to learn about Java in depth, you can enroll Java course.